This week's reading, Nitzavim, begins with an inspirational message from Moshe Rabbeinu, from Moses. He says, stand firm. That's what the word Nitzavim means. Stand firm, unlike the more common word omdim, to stand. Now when he says stand firm, of course, he's talking in terms of societal response to challenge, to external danger and the like. And he nominates all 10 categories of the strata of Jewish peoplehood, from leadership all the way down. At a deeper level, Kabbalah explains that these nominations of 10 levels represent the 10 levels within our soul that we express. We have 10 levels within ourselves, 10 capacities, and we have to be able to draw on them. Now, how do we draw on those 10 capacities? Interestingly, we are taught we're incomplete without each other. Each one of us complements the other. And the only way to allow that complementary energy to become part of us is if we practice humility, recognizing every other person was brought into the world for a reason of assisting my need to be standing firm. I can't live without them, they can't live without me. So be humble, stand firm. Let's be one people, especially at this time of challenge.